Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Autel update 2.7.25, 1 month later, and we're going to have a giveaway of these guys. The Autel controller Skyfire area mount. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget, like, subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be informed about more videos of mine. Today we'll be talking about the Autel EVO 2 update version 2.7.25, and we'll be talking about what is included inside that version, what is actually new, and I've been trying it out for over a month now and I actually liked it. So also we'll be giving away at the end of this video one of these Skyfire area mounts for your Autel controller. In order to find out how you can win one of these, stay tuned, wait until the end, and I'll tell you the requirements. First off, version 2.7.25, which just has released about a month and a half ago, and new things that came out with it are actually the panoramic, wide angle, and landscape photos. Now, what is actually included inside these modes? Inside the panoramic mode, you have landscape, portrait, and wide angle. All these modes conduct automatically. Once you click on it and you choose your scenery, the drone will automatically do its moves, take the pictures, and at the end of that, it will stitch them together. The only one that has no stitching program included in this at point of execution within the panoramic mode is the sphere mode. For the sphere mode, you'll have to download a 360-degree program that is capable of stitching these things together. Well, another thing they added on is FLIR boson 640 radiometric sensor support. Wouldn't be able to tell you anything about it. I don't have one. They also threw in N-Trip network support for the RTK series of this, which is the one with the big dome on top for measurements and surveys and all that stuff. What that pretty much means is that there is not only the RTK, which usually has a base signal and a rover, it also utilizes via the N-Trip server and the software to distribute multiple satellites all over the place to have a more accurate signal with the RTK series. One of my favorite add-ons in this firmware update is that now during Hyperlapse, while you press any direction up, forward, down, sideways, you can press the A button and hold it to put the drone into a cruise mode. That cruise mode makes it possible for you to do a moving hyperlapse, and that can be a turning, can be a sideways, can be a forward, can be a up, can be a down, which is super cool. Another bug optimization that they did was that they actually added on no-fly zone notifications, which in the United States haven't changed anything to anybody. Only during initial setup you get this screen, and after that screen you pretty much it's the same thing. The reason why they had to do it is simply because they had to add it on to other countries such as Germany, China, and wherever else. There were new regulations that they had to come up with, and because they're shipping it worldwide, they had to come up with that thing. Now, all in all, a month and a half in, I'm super big fan of this whole update and I actually like it. I think the drone is much more stable. I think the drone is much more agile, and I had no problems with it so far. The other thing is too, they added on gimbal stabilization, or more like gimbal smoothness for moving the gimbal, and they also put super smooth in the lineup, which does not replace the DJI ramping. So usually if you move super slow is one thing, but if you start a prop and you stop a prop, it still does not make up for ramping. DJI has a very good ramping system on their gimbals, and I hope that Autel is actually going to kick in with that as well. Now, in order to be able to win one of these awesome Skyfire area mounts for your EVO 1 or 2 controller, and it doesn't really matter if it's a V1, V2, Autel EVO 1, Autel EVO 2 Pro, whatever it is, it's going to fit for that very specific controller. And it's an awesome mount that you can utilize to mount your phone, to mount your tablet, whatever it is. The things you will have to do for it is, 1, be subscribed to my channel. 2nd, like my video. 3rd, be subscribed to Skyfire Aero's YouTube channel, and also like their Facebook page. You will find links for those in the description below, right here. And as the answer, you need to know how many different shades was I wearing during this video. After all, it's not really that hard of a task to do. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell in the bottom, and until the next time. And don't forget, COVID-19 is still out there to get you. Be a nice human. You never know what somebody went through. Wear your mask and wash your hands. Hello, everybody.